First step is to wipe down the cupboards. Here I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper to start the process. Just to scuff it up a bit, get some shine off. And then I'm going to move on to some TSP degreaser cleaning solution. Give it a good wipe down on both sides before you start your staining. Let this dry about 6 hours or so. So the cupboards are dry, and now it's time to move on to staining the doors. And the first step there was to wipe off any leftover debris or dust from our cleaning stage. That was that tack cloth I just used. And now I've picked up the sponge brush and started to brush with the grain, putting the stain on. And when you finish getting the stain on, this method is you take a clean, lint-free rag and you wipe off the stain, and you'll see the results here in a second. So here's the method I used for my doors. First, use the tack cloth again, wipe off any dust, debris. And then here I'm using a bristle brush instead of the sponge brush. As you can see, it goes on much faster than the sponge brush, covers better. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to leave it on, basically painting on the stain. I'm not going to wipe it off. And you'll be able to see the difference between the two methods and choose which is best for you. Here's an example of a common mistake. I actually did it myself. I brushed against the grain in this area. You've got to go with the grain, but this can easily be fixed with your second coat. Here we have the finished project. Everything's put back together. I did not show the top coat application. Basically, you take a clean rag, dip it into the top coat can, wipe it on the door, and then wipe it off. And I did 2 coats of top coat on there to give it a little bit of a shine.